Hey everyone, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to set up international shipping on Shopify, step by step, updated for 2025. Let's get started. Step 1. Log into your Shopify admin and go to Settings in the bottom left corner. Step 2. Click on Shipping and Delivery. Under Shipping Zones, you'll see your current shipping regions. Step 3. Click Manage next to your shipping profile. Now scroll down and click Create Shipping Zone. Step 4. Name your new zone something like International and select the countries or regions you want to ship to. Step 5. After selecting your countries, click Add Rate. Here, you can choose flat rates, calculated rates, or free shipping, depending on your business model. Step 6. If you use carriers like DHL, UPS, or USPS, connect your carrier account for real-time rates. Otherwise, enter your own custom rates. Step 7. Click Done, and finally hit Save at the top to apply your changes. Tip: make sure your product weights are set correctly so Shopify can calculate accurate shipping costs. And that's it. You've just set up international shipping on your Shopify store in 2025. If this helped you out, like the video, and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more e-commerce tips. Thanks for watching. Ready for the next one.